Is there anything you really want?
What do you
Soon?
Shut up. Well, someone has to be. Jesus.
Okay. It's a date.
Date?
I'll help you.
What if I'm old enough to protect myself?
You can't even tie your own shoes.
No, I don't have to.
Shut up.
Good for me.
Because of her?
Who?
Do you think I'm stupid? Sarah!
No.
Shut up.
Disneyland.
That's not a real dream.
Sure it is.
No, it isn't. It's completely unreal.
It has to be unreal to be a dream. Fuck her.
I've never bought makeup before.
Neither have I. But we need to, and it's important that we plan and think about what we... What the hell?
Hey, it's really not easy with gloves on.
But I look like a...
Clown!
Oh, okay, so when you said that I should look
Yeah,
hot...
that was just something I said.
Okay, that's just great. Super great. Look, this has to come out. Yeah, it's kind of nice. Then we can go to Bergen when they open.
Well, you don't even know if I want to be touched by you. I think it's a pretty creepy way to say it.
Sorry. Yeah.
So,
Let's see here. I'm afraid we're out of Spider-Man band-aids.
They say it's gonna hurt a bit.
of course it's going to hurt. They're doing a lumbar puncture.
Oh, that is really comforting.
Do you want me to lie or what?
Yes, right now that would be nice.
Come see this. You're cured. There. The two of us.
Is this yours?
What? Yeah. Yeah, they say that. They say I'm cured.